Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Engineer Singo from Clnp. Now today guys, our topic is solving right triangle using trigonometric functions. Okay, so I will give you some example problem on how to apply this trigonometric function into the right triangle, guys. So as you can see here, I have here an example problem on a diagram. It's an right triangle having three sides, okay, A, B, and C, where A side is equal to 10, B is unknown, C is equal to 15. A triangle ABC, it's a right triangle, guys. Given here, as you can see, C is 90 degrees, okay. Now, the requirement in this problem is calculate or find the third side, B, and the angle of A and the angle of B. So we need to find the we need to measure the angle of A and B based on these given parameters. Okay? So solution, guys. Solving for the third side, okay, of B. For side B. Okay? Since it is a right triangle, we can easily calculate the third side by applying the Pythagorean's theorem. Okay? So in solving this one, as we know, the standard equation for Pythagorean is C squared, A squared plus B squared. Okay? So substitute the values, guys. C is the hypotenuse. How much is 15? Okay? Squared equal to A. A is equal to 10. Okay? To squared plus B squared. Okay? So to simplify, guys, 15 into squared, 225. Okay? 225 is equal to 10 squared, or 10 times 10 is 100, correct? Plus B squared. Okay? So transfer 100 to the left. 225 minus 100 equals B squared. Okay? So 225 minus 100 is 125 is equal to B squared. So square root of B is equal to square root of 125. How much is 1? Square root of 125 equal to 11. Okay? 11.18. Okay? So this is the dimension for the third side, B. It's equal to 11.18. Now, the second requirement is we need to find the angle A. How much the angle for this A. And then the third one is angle B. Okay? So, by applying the trigonometric function, guys, if you want to find the angle for this one, okay, sine, you can use sine, guys, right? Okay, sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, or you can also solve for the angle of A. Cosine AA is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. B is already computed. Okay, over hypotenuse C. But now we will use the sine function. Okay, B. Okay, solving for angle A. Okay, degrees. So we can apply the first trigonometric function, which is the sine. Okay, so sine A, okay, is equal to, what's the ratio guys for sine? So opposite over hypotenuse. So A over C, okay, is equal to how much A value? A is 10, okay, over C. C is 15. Okay, so A is equal to inverse sine, okay, or arc sine. Arc sine, okay. Arc sine or inverse sine are the same, okay. Sine 10 over 15, okay. So A will be, now using the calculator, we can find the angle value of A, okay. So 10 divided by 15 to third, inverse sine, okay. Equal to 41.81. 41.81, okay. Uh, okay. So inverse sine, okay, 10 over 15. 10 over 15. 41 point. So there are 41. .81 degrees, okay. So this is the angle value for A, okay. So now we can solve directly for the angle B. Since this is a right triangle, then we can use the complementary angle, okay. So C or we can also find the angle of B by using the trigonometric function, okay. So solving for angle B, okay. Angle B. Take a look at the diagram, guys. If you want to know this angle, how much? By using trigonometric function. You have the value of B, okay? You can use either sine or cosine. Now we will use the second one, cosine function, okay? So cosine B equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cosine B adjacent over hypotenuse. So, A over C. Okay? Cosine B, SOH-CAH, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, A over C. Okay? So, is equal to, what is A? 10. Okay? And the hypotenuse, 15. So, B will be inverse cosine or R cosine. R cosine 10 over 15. So, the angle of B is equal to, how much, guys? So, inverse cosine or R cosine ito 10 divided by 15, okay, is equal to 48.18. Okay, so there are 48.19 degrees. Okay. We have already calculated the B sides. Angle of A we have already calculated, it's 41.81, and the B also, it's here 48.19 degrees. Now we can check this, guys, whether our answer is correct, whether angle B and angle A is correct. Okay, so to check, using complementary. Okay, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? Remember this formula, guys. For a right triangle, we can apply the complementary theory. Okay. Now, how much is the angle A? Angle A is 41.81. Okay. Plus the angle B is 48.19. Okay. 90 degrees. So we need to check whether these two values are equal with 90 degrees. Okay. So 41, summation of these two angle, 41.81 plus 48.19 equals 90 degrees. Okay. So they are equal. So meaning to say, our answer for angle B and angle A is correct, guys. Now, I hope you understand our example problem regarding this right triangle using trigonometric function. Okay. So just remember, guys, the SOH-CAH-TOA rule and the Pythagorean theorem. And another example, I will give you one more example in order to understand further regarding this trigonometric function. Okay, guys, we're back. I have here a second example problem regarding this triangle using trigonometric function. Okay, as you can see here, guys, our right triangle ABC and the three sides A, B, and C. Now the given here is angle B, which is 62 degrees. Angle side small b is 20, and the angle C is 90 degrees. Now the requirement in this second problem is to find the how much the value of angle A. This one. First requirement is angle A, and the second one is the second side, A sides. Okay, and third one is the hypotenuse. Now solution, guys. A solving for angle A. Okay. Take note guys, as you remember, we can find the other angle by using the complementary relation, okay? So, the equation is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, okay? So, A will be A is equal to 90 minus B. So, substitute guys, 90 degrees. How much the value of angle B? Angle B is 62, it is given, okay? 62. So, angle A is equal to 90 minus 62. 90 minus 62. So, there are 28 degrees, okay? So, this is the answer for angle A. There are 28 degrees, okay? This one, this angle. Now, second is we need to find the A side, okay? Solving for A, okay? By using the trigonometric function. Take a look in this diagram, guys. We need to find the value of A, these sides. Take note, we have given the angle B and we have calculated the angle A, which is 28. So we can use either cosine beta, or we can use tangent, okay? Tangent B, so opposite over adjacent, okay? We cannot use the cosine because we don't have the value of hypotenuse, and also the sine. So what we're going to use is to find the A. So using tangent, okay? Tangent B to opposite B over adjacent, okay? So rearrange guys. A is equal to B over tangent B, okay? So substitute how much the value of B, which is equal to 20, which is given, okay? Over tangent, how much the value of B? Angle 62 degrees, okay? So A will be equal to 20 divided by tangent 62. So there are 10.63. Okay? 10.63. Okay. Tangent 62. 1.88. 20 divided by 1.88. 10.63. Okay. Now, third requirement here is we need to find the value of hypotenuse. This one, C. Third side. Okay. So, letter C. Solving for C. Okay. So, we can apply the other function. Okay. We have already value of C, value of A and B. So, based on this angle B, we can use sine function, okay? Sine B is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. B over C. So, opposite over hypotenuse. So, sine B, okay, equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So, rearrange guys. You need to find value of C. C is equal to B over sine B. Okay? So, substitute guys the value. How much B? We have 20. Okay? I hope you followed. Then, sine B. How much the value of angle B? 62. So, C will be equal to how much guys? 20 divided by sine 62 degrees. So there are 22.65. 22.65. So this is the answer for hypotenuse or the third side. Okay, 22.65. By then guys, we can check these three sides by applying the Pythagorean theorem, okay? To check the three sides by using the Pythagorean theorem, okay? So we have C squared, A squared plus B squared, okay? How much a B? B is already given. C will be 22.65. Okay, substitute. How much the value of A? A here is 10. Okay. 10.63 squared plus V. We have B here is 20. Okay. So we need to calculate with these two. These three values are equal. Okay. 22.65 squared 513.0. So this one how much? 10.63 squared 112.99. Okay. This one plus 20 squared 400. Okay. So 513.02 or 513 is equal to this one guys, we can round off. Okay, it will become 113 plus 400. So 513 is equal to 113 plus 400. So 513. So guys, they are equal. So meaning to say, our answer for A and C are correct. Okay, since we double check by using the Pythagorean theorems. So I hope guys you understand our second problem regarding this trigonometric function. Okay, so again, kindly share, like, and subscribe our channel para mas updated pa kayo sa mga future na i-share namin na videos sa inyo. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.